Today I'll be introducing our portal. If you like it, you can request a demo on our landing page. So you log in from the landing page to the portal. We go into our portal from this page. So the demo dashboard, which will be in a second. Okay, you can filter from here the students, classes, date, and so on. For instance, this is an educational demo purpose dashboard. So there are some measurements, indexes. They are all active. For example, if you go to the mood, you deep dive into the sheets, and you may see inside our filters, like within ascending, sort. You may even download them in CSV or Excel file, or if you need, you can just maximize and see the data. So I'm showing only the demo, but over here you may see other features where you may see the list and so on, where you may edit the users, etc.